What's good, everybody? It's your main girl Mel here with Curlsmith to introduce you to Bond Curl. This is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It is a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair, just like you see here, and I'm excited to show you how to use this to repair. Now first I begin by sectioning my hair. This is an intense treatment and I want to make sure that it hits every part of my hair that is damaged. If you have really thick hair, this step is very important because you want to make sure that you can get into every nook and curly. I have medium density hair, so I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections. Section by section, you want to apply the Bond Curl on your damp hair. Now the more damaged your hair, the more often you're going to want to use this treatment. For really damaged or porous hair, you can use this every second or third wash day to maintain the strength of your hair. Now once you're done applying your final section, you want to go ahead and set a timer for a minimum of 15 minutes or 20 or 30. Feel free to leave this treatment in your hair for up to 1 hour for maximum repair, and then go ahead and give yourself a nice thorough rinse before you follow with your shampoo and conditioner, style as usual. And this is the final result. The best part about it is that any hair type can use it. It definitely works amazingly for curls, and that's it. That's how I like to use Curlsmith's Bond Curl Rehab Salve to repair my weak hair.